Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through divisible sum pair, which is a problem under implementation section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So in this problem, first of all, before getting into the core concept of the problem, if you're not yet subscribed to the challenge, I really advise you to subscribe to the challenge. We are coming out with new format of video, so you enjoy first in this video a new format, and while moving, you enjoy more and more the optimization version of our video format. So feel free to give your feedback on the format of the video, the process of sharing with you our knowledge. So in this problem statement, what we are supposed to do is that we receive as input an array, and we are supposed to find out the number of pair of elements that satisfy this condition. The condition is E I less or equal to G, and the sum of the element is divisible by K. So for solving this problem, we are going to go through two different approaches. The first approach will be like the direct implementation of what is described as approach, and the complexity is big of n squared. So without wasting time, let us see how the approach will look like. So given the approach or the workflow you just watched previously, an implementation can look like this. So basically what we are doing is that we have a initial value which is at 0. We look through, we are starting from 0 to the end of the element with the first pointer, as you saw in the demonstration before. And then the other pointer is just next to the first one and is the one moving forward. And for each of the element, you just verify if the condition is expected. If it is okay, then we'll return the result. Let us run this and see what it gives. I can directly submit to save time. Everything green. So now that we were able to solve it, now we can think, how can we optimize our solution? And then if you're asking yourself such a question, you're at the right place at the right time. Let us watch a workflow of an optimized version of this problem. Now, what can be an implementation of what you've just watched as workflow? An implementation can be as follow. So what we did is that we have our map, which is actually empty at the beginning, and we first fill the map using our for loop with the process you just saw with the modulo operator of each of the elements in our array. And at the end of it, we have our result. We initiate at 0. And so here we are looping from 0 to k divided by 2. So if I is actually 0, that means it's not actually a matching pair. Or if I times 2 is equal to k, that means the elements are actually sharing the same array, the same number of occurrence. It's not like maybe 1 and then you have the other element that the complement is the other key. So for instance, for 1, the complement of 1 in this case, since we are the value of k is 5, the complement of 1 will be 4. The element like 0, the complement of 0 is still 0. So this one and this one, they are 3 different. So this is the formula that is used to have the result, and this is actually basically a sum of a number of elements, consecutive elements. And otherwise, we just take the number of occurrence of the element times the number of occurrence of the matching pair the other side. And when the process is done, we return the result. Let us submit and see what it gives. Running. We have everything green, perfect. So this was my approaches of solving this. Feel free to give me your feedback in the comment section. Your feedback regarding the approaches, regarding the video format, what you think we can improve, and we'll be really happy to get your feedback. Thank you.